Hey, what's up, PundiX holder? So what's going on? Today video is going very special and very urgent for PundiX holder, because this video I tell you the prediction of PundiX technical analysis and what's the target of PundiX. Do they hit it or fail or not hit it? They are completely fails down in the previous days. Absolutely, what we do in this critical situation: sell, hold, or bear, or buy, my friend. So, first of all, if you can see here, my friend, this time every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down. All crypto market is very badly fails down, my friend. So therefore, PundiX is also very badly fails down now. So remember, to PundiX is also one of the fastest cryptocurrencies and not a small crypto coin. Absolutely, they also starting moving up when all cryptocurrencies moving up. My friend, this time if you can see here, the PundiX, first of all, if you can see here, very badly fails down, but minus 0% they fails down. So this is not a big falls, my friend. Let's get started the video, but please, our friend, I request to my friends to subscribe ABS Tech channel. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe ABS Tech channel. This is very important for everyone. Please, if you can see here, my friend, this time I draw a chart for PundiX prediction. You can see here, my friends, first of all, they are moving off like a rocket. You can see here they take a very high jump, my friend, this time, and also after a jump they fails down again, and after a fails they take again jump, my friend. So this is the circulation. If you can see here, also here is also they take a very high jump, but very small jump, my friend. So after that also they fails down again. So my friend, this is the circulation of crypto market. Every cryptocurrency is moving like this, exactly like this. So if this circulation, if they're moving up, then exactly you can see here, this time they fails down very badly, my friend. This time they fails down very, sometimes they go very straight, but they fails down sometimes also. They cannot take a very high jump, and the price has come to 3.89 US dollar from 9 US dollar, my friend, from 9 US dollar. Very badly fall, my friend, for PundiX. This is very bad news and shock news. PundiX, if you want to this is absolutely buying time, then absolutely you are wrong, my friend. This is absolutely not a buying time and not a selling time. If you sell this time, then they give you not a profit. You are, if you sell it, then you are in the completely lost, my brother. So don't sell it. Remember, to the good time is coming, I hope, in upcoming days. And this time you can see here the chain occur as zero. So exactly this mean to they cannot more loss. Absolutely, in upcoming days they go up like a rocket. So wait for a good time, my friend. I hope the good time is coming soon. Now then you sell it and make a money, and they give you a very good profit. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe channel for more such informative videos.